Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and here in this video I have one more temple, and this time the color is champagne gold. The other furniture of the client is same color, and the client wanted a similar color on this unit. And the first time we have done this color on a temple. Earlier, I've shown you temples in natural finish, the natural teak wood finish, and walnut, and mahogany, light walnut, dark walnut, and then the paint colors like white, off-white, satin white, marble look white, white with gold highlighting, and triple shade, dual shade, gold leafing as well, and antique gold leafing as well. But this time is champagne gold. The unit is 6 feet left to right. The total height is 7 feet. This is without kalash, so we don't have any design on the top. No gopuram, no kalash. And the height of the platform is 24 inches, 2 feet from the ground. And front to back, this is 24 inches again. The middle part is a little protruding out. As you can see, the design is coming a little out. So it's 3 inches extra. So 27 total depth from this point to the back, 27 inches. Otherwise, is 24 inches. And the house height inside is 48, 4 feet. This is the overall size of the unit and the overall work you can see here. This is the artisan work, the handcrafting work, the hand carving work that we talk about in real teak wood. This is not resin, this is not fiber, this is not any other wood. This is real teak wood that is painted in champagne gold. And the entire handwork, you can see the beautiful work, the master artwork that we are doing here is right visible here. There are so many things I can talk about this unit. If we talk about small part, the Mayuri here, the design and the Mayuri inside that, you can see finely engraved, and the beautiful and heavy solid wood pillar, then the elephant here, and then underneath here again some peacock design in the pillar part, then the curvaceous design we have in the middle. Right here we have got a diya tray, and then below that we have got drawers, and on left and right we have got big cabinets, and then four designer pillars with the Mayuri right in the middle. One of the most beautiful designs, most liked designs when we are talking about bigger units. When we shorten this unit, sometimes we have to change a little design, then we have to remove the pillars, and the design takes a little hit. But in this size, we get the actual look of the unit, and you can see how beautifully it has come out. The basic thing is not about the beauty part. There are a few considerations, a few basic things that we need to understand when we talk about making a home temple. First thing is about the puja tradition. We are standing and praying, we are sitting and praying, we are sitting on a chalky or a little stool. This is how the height of the platform is decided. And the house height again depends on the murti we have, the photo we have, how many deities we are going to place inside. Accordingly, the inner area decide. And third part is about the top part. You want some kalash, you want some gopuram, or you don't want that. So this kind of design can be placed on the top to make it look like a temple. So this is the entire artwork that completely is in line, in alignment to the traditions. And that is how we get to finalize the unit design. And the color part again depends on the interiors we have, how we are designing the whole house, and only the black color, that ebony color that a lot of people say in US also, ebony temple, that is not the right color. Temples are not black, so you can go for any other color. The wood, as I mentioned, and even in wood there are a few wood categories that are not allowed, like the babool wood that has got thorns, and rubber wood that has got the milk inside, the fluid inside. So these woods are not considered good for making home temples. Mostly the natural things like the wood and the stone, they are considered best for home temples, and plastic should be avoided as much as possible. Plastic temples, in fact, are fossil fuel units, fossil fuel raw material that is used to make plastic, so that should be completely avoided. Rest, the design is here. If you want something at the back, to the LED panels and the modern lighting kind of thing, you want some light on the inside of the unit, all these things we do. If you want some changes in the unit, you want to increase the height, any size changes, any design changes, like there is a peacock sitting right in the middle here, and you can see the neck is coming out. One client told me that I don't want the neck to be straight like this, make it bent to one side. So we have changed it, and the face went on a side. These are very fine things, but again, also on the elephant part, you can see the trunk is going downwards. You want trunk upwards, you want a sitting elephant, you want a elephant like on two legs. These are all fine points. You can discuss with us, you can let us know, and we'll accordingly design your temple as per your choice. Designing is one thing, choice is one part, and the space available and the traditions is one part. And when we club all these things together, we come out and make a temple for your home. And we have delivered the temples across the globe, 55 plus countries already, every part of India, in most of the designs, in South Indian style, North Indian style. We made one temple in Nepal style also. And recently we made a unit like a pagoda that has got that Chinese kind of tapered top part. So it all depends on what you want. You can choose the design from hundreds and hundreds of designs we have made already from our website aarsunwoods.com, or you can see the testimonial section. You will find a lot of ideas there, how people have decorated, how people have placed their units, what colors they have preferred. Or you can pick something from internet if you don't like our units, or if you want to draw your own temple, you draw it and let us know and we'll make that for you. The basic design part, size part, colors part, everything is as per your choice. We have too many designs for the ideas. Rest is your choice. The number is right here. We'll be happy to discuss the requirement and make one for you in factory prices and deliver at your home. Have a look, and on our YouTube channel you'll find a lot of videos with detailed explanation. So check what you like and let us know. Thank you. Dhanyavad.